Let's go through all the past track questions of today's session. Okay. Question number one is train A and B start traveling at the same time towards each other with a constant speed. Okay, from X to Y. Okay. So let's say this is X and this is Y. Say this is the meeting point Z. Okay. Now train A reaches station Y in 10 minutes. Okay, so train. So when they'll meet first time at Z, this is A. Okay, so A must have traveled 40 minutes. Okay, and at the same time, B also must have traveled 40 minutes. That's what happens. Then only they'll meet. Okay, so this distance B covered in 10, and this distance A covered in 2. That is given that train A reaches Y in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes it reaches. So till here it took T time. So from Z to Y it will take 10 minus T time. While it is given while train B takes 9 minutes to reach after meeting. Okay, so it will take from Z to X 9 minutes. Now, if we take their ratio, when the distance is constant, so same for same distance, we can take their time ratio. So this is for the same distance, the ratio is t by 9 equals this ratio. We can equate 10 minus t by t. Okay, so t square equals minus 90 plus 90. So let's bring us this side. T square plus 90 minus 90 equals 0. So this can be written as plus 15 and minus c plus 9 we got and product this. Okay, so t we got as plus 15 and plus 15 minus. So t will be, so this will be t equals minus 15 and 6. Negative not possible, so t equals 6. Now the question is the total time taken by train B to travel station widely. So from here to the total time is how much? This 9 and this 6. So 9 plus 6 equals 15 is the answer to this question. That question number 2. Pinky standing in a queue at a counter ticket. Suppose the ratio of number of persons standing ahead of Pinky. Okay, so Pinky says she is facing this side. Now the number of person ahead is 3 and behind is. So we'll suppose here 3x people and behind are 5x people. Okay, total number of people. Number of person in the queue is less than 300. So this is 5x plus 3x ahead, behind and Pinky itself. Plus 1 is less than 300. So 8x less than 299. X less than 299 by 8. So this will be 8 3 24, 59 8 7 56, 37 point something. And the question is maximum number of person standing ahead of P. So just multiply this with 3. So 37 into 3 is 3721, 339 point XX. So 100 the answer to this question. That's it done. Next one. Question is let A be natural number. This equation, and to find the value of this. So A square plus AB plus A equals 4 and B square plus AB plus B equals 28. Let's subtract both these equations. Equation 2 minus 1. This will be B square minus A square. This gets cancelled and this will be B minus A equals 48. Okay. So this can be written as B plus A and B minus A, B minus A. And this we already have B minus A equals 48. Now take this B minus A common outside. B minus A, B plus A plus 1. 1 will remain somewhere. Okay. This is 14. That is mean that A, B are natural numbers. Means the sum will always be greater than the difference. Okay. So let's break 14. Break it in as 2 into 7. Okay. So B minus A is 2 and B plus A plus 1 equals 7. So B minus A equals 2 and B plus A came out to be 6. Now from here the value of B will be just add both. B equals 4. So A will be 2. Okay. So B4 and A2. The question is 2A plus B. So 2 into 2 plus 4. 2 to 4, 4 to 8. It is the other question. Next one. A regular polygon A has number of sides in the ratio 1. Okay, so let's say that A has x sides and B has 2x sides. Okay. So say A has x number of sides and B has 2x number of sides. Okay. Not to given that the ratio of their interior angles. So if there are X number of sides, then the ratio, the interior, each interior angle will be X minus 2 into 180 by X. Okay? And for this, it will be 2X minus 2 into 180 by 2X. Okay? And this ratio is given to us as 3 to 2. So let's solve this. This gets cancelled, this 180 gets cancelled. From here, 2 will get cancelled, 1 will remain, 2 will go. Now 4 into x minus 2 equals 3 into x minus 2. So 4x minus 8 equals 3x minus 3. So x equals 5. So now the question is the number of sides of B. The number of sides of B is 2x. So 2 into 5 equals 10 is the answer. That's it done. In an election, there were 4 candidates. So candidate 1, candidate 2, candidate 2 equals 80% of the registered voters casted their vote. So total, let's say 100x, 80% casted. So 80x votes were casted and this will be distributed. One of the candidates received 30% of the casted votes. So casted is 80, 30% of this will be 24x. Okay. Now remaining is 24 minus 80 will be 56, 5 to 7, 8. Yes, 56. And remaining were casted in the portion 1 is to 2. So 1 is to 2. So let's see, C4 will get 3 by 6 and 3 to 6, 28, 28 except will get. So this is the value. Just calculate for a second. I don't need the exact value, just the approximate. This is 3, 3, 1, 3, 1 something. This is 1, 1. I'm not calculated for C3, C2. I'm telling the reason because the question is from here. If the winner of the election received 2512 votes more than the candidate second, second highest is this, and winner is this. So the difference is 4x, and this 4x is 2512. Better leave 4x. So 4 is 2512. The question is the number of registered voters. Registered is 100x. So 100 will be how much? 2512 by 4 into 100. So this will be 4 6 24, 4 2 8, 4 8 32, and 100. So double 6 to 8 will be the answer. That's it done. Next one now. The best question of today. This is a very good question. That is x square minus 10x to the power x square minus 3x minus 10 equals 1. For such question, for this particular question, like a b to the power 1, and we have to find the solution. 3 cases I remember. Okay? 1, 2, 3. First case is when this becomes 0. Sorry, this becomes 1. Then 1 to the power anything will be 1 only. So let's check for this first case. First case is base equal to 1. I'm writing also. So x square minus 10x equals 1. X will square will be like you won't get any integer root. So 0, 0 integer root. Now second case is if this becomes 0. Okay. So if anything, say x, okay, and to the power 0 will be 1 only. Okay. So second case is exponent equal to 0. Okay. So x square minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. I can easily break this as minus 5 and 2. Fair enough? Yes. So 2 roots will get from here. That okay. So 2 roots from here. Now the third and the most different cases. If this x square minus 10 is even and this particular exponent is uh, uh, this is minus 1. Okay, this is minus 1. Sorry, base becomes minus 1 and the exponent this becomes even. Okay. So minus 1 to the power even will also result in positive number. So let's see that x square minus 10 will. So the third case is minus 1 to the power e. The first thing is for this condition is you have to check that can this equation be minus 1? Like if the question would have been x square plus 1. Suppose we can tell you this example. If the question would have been x square plus 1, we won't be able to check this because the value of this will never be minus 1. But in this case, it can be minus 1 because when x becomes this can be minus 10. So this can be minus 1. So power will be even. So x square minus 10 equals minus 1. So x square equals, so plus minus 3. Two values from here. One more thing you have to check. Just plug in these 3 and minus 3 in here and check that they are even or not. Because our condition is minus 3 power even. So let's check. So x square minus 3x minus 10. We put 3, we get 9, we get 9, we get yes, this is even minus. Okay. As we put minus 3, we get 9, we get 9, we get 9, and then it will even again. So both the satisfied. So total answer is this two and 0. So 2 plus 2 plus 0 is 4. 4 is the answer to this question. The best question for today. Next one. Yes. This is also a good one. Let f is be a quadratic polynomial so that f is greater than so f is greater than equal to 0. This is one of the most important conditions. F is greater than equal to 0. F is greater than equal to 0. So two cases. F is greater than equal to 0 means uh, two cases. First one will be f is greater than 0 and f is less than 0. Okay. Sorry, f is equal to 0. In this case, discriminant is less than 0. Discriminant is less than 0 means no real root. Okay. But we can see that at f2 it becomes 0. So this case is gone. It means that discriminant is 0. So discriminant is 0 means both the roots will be 0. So the both versions they'll have the equation in this form. Ax minus root is 2 because we get f2 is 0. So ax minus 2 whole square. This is the form of the equation. Okay. This is our equation. X equals ax. Now we'll find the value of f4 equals 6. Just put f4 equals 6. This is 6. X and this is 4 minus 2 whole square. So I will use for 4. So 6 by 4 a equals 3 by 4. A we got is what the question is f minus 2. Minus 2 is nothing but just put in here. A we got 3 by 2. X is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. 3 by 2. It will sorry, this will be square. Here it is. Yes. This will be 2 to 4, 4, 4, 16. Positive. 2, 8, 16, 8, 4, 10, 8, 3, 20. 24 is the answer to this question. Done. Now this question. The arithmetic mean of all the district numbers that carry 400 digits per foot. Basically, if you closely look at this is the exact same question. This question. The question is find the like you must have done it in the course. Find the sum of all the numbers which can be all the four digits. All the four-digit numbers which can be formed with the digits. Say if I take 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is the question. This question is more or less this question. So you know the formula for this. This basically this the formula will be n minus 1 factorial into 1 1 1 n times. This is a very important formula. Those who haven't done get to learn from this and sum of the digits. This is all product of. So n minus 1 is basically we have four digits, so this will be 3 factorial and 1 1 n times n is 4. This will be 1 1 1 1. Sum of the digits will be 5 4 12 12 3 5 4 5 4 sorry 5 4 9 9 3 12 12 2 4. Just multiply this and this is your answer. The exact same thing we can apply here. Only the thing is a repetition. So we won't be having this. What will be having? Sum of all this will be this will be this will be 4 times 11. Sum of all the digits will be 1 plus 4 plus 4 to 7, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. And what will be having here is 4 factorial by we have a repetition of 1. So this will be this. Okay. Question is arithmetic mean. Total number of arithmetic mean is Basically total number of terms. So with 1421, how many terms you get? How many numbers you get? 4 factorial. By this, by the repetition of this 2 factorial, 2 factorial, this is basically 4 into 3 12. Don't get confused like this is already written. No, this is different thing. This is 12. Now just we have to solve this and we'll get the answer. Okay. Now the next one is for the mistake in this number. Mistake that I was what is this? This won't be 4 factorial by 2 factorial. In fact, it will be 4 minus 1 factorial by 2 factorial. So this will change to experience. This will change to like the formula will remain exactly the same. 4 minus 1 factorial divided by the repetitions of numbers. So 1 is repeated 2 times. So this will now you'll solve this and you'll get more. That's it. That's it. And 2 more left. Consider 6 distinct natural numbers such that average of the two small. Okay. So the average of two smallest is 40. So the sum will be 28. Okay, average of two largest 28. 28 to 56. Now the question is maximum possible average. So to maximize, we have to maximize these. Now distribute 56 as much as possible. So this will be 29 and this will be 27 I guess. Yes. So distributing close will give us opportunity to have these values as such. We'll take this to 26. We'll take this to 25. The average of you know, this already total number of here 6. Is it? Let's add them up. 6 on 7, 7, 8, 15. 5 from 10, 135 by 6. 6 to 12. And 6 to 12, then again 15 to 22.5 will be average. So that's it. The last one now. The average of all the six numbers and 80 this. So let's find the nth term. Nth term will be 38 plus n minus 1 equal to plus 55 minus 38. So 58 over 17. So 17 and so will be 20. So the first three digits for 52% digit on 17 and greater than 100. 17 and greater than 100 minus 20 and greater than. So this will be 50, 17. So 17. 5 is 85, 30, 30. 17, 4 is 68. So 4.x. So n has to be greater than 4.6 is n equal to 5. Now, similarly, take it for the biggest number, n will be less than 1000. 17 is less than 1000. That is all this. 1000 minus 21 will be 979. N will be 979 by 17. So 17. 917. 57 point. X is less than 5.4%, so n will be 50. So from 5 to 46. Now let's just find the first term and the last term so that we can take out the average. Okay. Now keep n equal to 5, so we'll get 25 plus 20, so 6, 106. So for n equal to 5, we get the term as 17 into 5 plus 21, 106. Now n equal to 57, we'll get 57 into 17 plus 21. This will be 990. I just find the average of this plus 106 by we get 548. Average of these two are the answers. Done all these questions. Over. Everything is clear. Okay, so